Okay, so making some improvements. Been doing some code updating and I've been doing some experimentation. So in my last video I mentioned that I was having trouble with trying to trigger the ECU change mode from my board, and the reason for that I think right now is because I may have had too much resistance between the 12-volt power supply and the pin where this voltage was supposed to go to trigger this. For a lot of my voltage dividers, I think things are probably a bit overbuilt. On one side I have, let's see, what are those? Let's see. On one side I have 1 million ohm resistors, and on the other side, cumulative should be, I think, about 570,000 ohms. So yeah, 1.5 million ohms between the two, which is probably why it's not receiving any voltage. So I found a resistor that I wasn't making use of right now, and that one is what is that, 22,000, I think. So basically what I do to get the ECU to switch modes now is I'll just take this pin and move it in line with this resistor here, and then press this button that's over here, move this wire at the same time. That way both the ECU and my board know, hey, we're changing ECU modes. So I had to make a change to some of the code for mode 5, but it's now working. So anytime I go through and press on the accelerator here, it actually triggers the green LED, so I'm able to start using that to count and see what may be happening here. And as I mentioned earlier, I am logging all of this on my pocket chip here, and I'm pulling these logs off of this and putting them onto my laptop for further review. But yeah, so progress. At least I've been able to identify potential problems now. So at least according to this airflow meter and ignition signal to the coil might be problematic right now. So at least we narrowed it down.